Good morning! I'm Laura Berlage of Erindale Tapestry Studio, and today I'd like to take you on a tour of my studio yurt. I first built the yurt in 2007. It was a kit via Pacific Yurts in Oregon, and it is the 16-foot diameter. Originally I had my tapestry looms in the loft of our house, but they were a bit heavy and the loft began to sag. So we decided to build the yurt and move them out here. It is still close enough to the house that we ran hydronic heat from the house, so I can even work in here in winter time. Welcome to my studio. This is one of my Navajo projects. And warping boards. And this is the Gobilan tapestry loom that I wove the Lady and the Unicorn on. I just love this space in here. It's so open and I can hear all the nature sounds. Here's another small Navajo piece. And the windows, the outer plastic part, I can peel off and let the fresh air in, and the dome has a crank, so I can open that up, let the warm air out. This is my Zen Cranes project in process here on this Varpapu tapestry loom that I restored. Zoom in here so you can see the work up closer. I'm working on the reeds and the water. You can see the paper cartoon behind. And there is the original picture by Kathy Bishop that it's based on. Try to stay organized. And I have a nice view out on the farm. A lot of nice natural light. One of my favorite spots to be. Thank you for joining me in the studio.